Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, the switcher is gray. That means that Google Autofill is definitely off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!